2 plus 2 gives us 4. And then 2 times 4 gives us 8. And then 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. Do you think that's the right answer? Unfortunately not, because you fell for a big trap. Hook, line, and sinker. And that's the order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order of operations properly. So, for God's sake, let's learn this order of operations, because without this, it would be a chaos in the mathematics. You would end up always with wrong answers. The correct operation, the correct order, it's called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym for, so acronym PEMDAS, and P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. So MD or DM doesn't matter. They all have the same priority and the same precedence. Again, and finally, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So, for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So, never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Okay, interesting. I think it sounded like Saul Goodman, but yeah. So, that being said, let's revisit our original problem. So, ask yourself, do we have parentheses in the original expression? Yes, we do. So we must do what's inside the parentheses. So let's write down everything. 8 divided by 2, and what's inside parentheses? 2 plus 2 gives us 4. You can remove the parentheses and write it as multiplication. So now we have multiplication and division, but you must go from left to right because they have the same priority. So some people, some of you might think that maybe multiplication has a higher priority than division, so you would go for multiplication at first, but in reality, no. It's they all have the same priority. Go from left to right. So 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Then 4 times 4 gives us 16, and that's the only and final answer. So for your homework, make sure to think about this homework and drop your answers in the comments below. I try to complicated it a little bit because I added an exponent here and finally added another number at the end. So make sure to drop your answers in the comments below, and please like the video and subscribe to your channel Prime Logic to support and motivate me, and I'll see you in our next video, and all the best to all of you, my dear students.